Our long-awaited VR course is finally online on my online platform Immersive Insiders. We have been working on this course for about 6 months now, and yes, I dare to say this is the best course that you can get. Yes, I know, that's a very big claim, but just wait until you see the assets, you see the app, and you see what exactly you will learn in this course, because in this video I will show you everything that you get in this course. The course is called Getting Started with VR Development, and yeah, as the name suggests, it will teach you everything that you need to know to create amazing, realistic, immersive VR apps and games using Unity and C#. The course is structured so that as an absolute beginner you can just go through the very beginning to the very end, and you will learn all the concepts and also build the app in the end. But then if you are intermediate or advanced already and you just want to look up these concepts, then these are separated from the game building basically. So the app doesn't, if you are advanced and most likely don't want to build these apps anymore, you just want to look it up, and it's a perfect structure for you as well. I know this is one of the most frustrating things if you know some things already and then you have to watch 12 hours of course just to see this one little thing. So I really feel you if you have a higher level than an absolute beginner. And then for the beginner, you just watch everything and you will be not left out. And also, unlike many other courses that I have seen already on some platforms where you get very, very cheap courses, you may know what I'm talking about, we are having a strong focus on industry standard code quality in C#. So we will also teach you how to write high quality code. We will use inheritance, we will use interfaces, we will use state machines, which are very, very powerful. Also, I will show you how to properly use properties instead of only public fields. Everything if you are an absolute beginner, these things don't tell you anything, so you're okay, what? But then if you are intermediate or advanced, okay, these things are important to take care of as well. And then also proper use of events, coroutines, solid principles, all of these things. Again, if you're a beginner, just bear in mind it's high quality code. But I don't want to waste your time. By the way, the course is not 25 hours long or some stupid things like this where we just repeat things over and over again. It's 8.5 hours about of full training, no repetitions, nothing to fill up or blow up the course with artificial things just to make it appear more valuable. To me, your time is very essential, and this is why I stopped talking now, and I will give you the original summary of this course so you know exactly what has been taught in this course. Enjoy! We are slowly reaching the end of this course, and let's have a quick look of all the amazing things that you have accomplished so far. We started off with the VR Essentials, and you now know how to set up Unity for VR development. We then talked about different locomotion systems that the interaction toolkit provides at the moment, which is teleportation and continuous movement, but also how to externally move by standing on a belt or something like this. So that's really the main movements for VR, which can be very, very helpful, especially since you can now interchangeably use them. So you can use the teleportation as a power up in the app as well. And then also now you have your hands inside, you know how to animate them, how to use them. But then if you don't want to dig deeper into all the animation 3D part, just take our prefab and you're set to go. You also did a lot of interaction inside of the app. Interaction is really the part that makes your app immersive. That is essential and crucial for any kind of VR app. And there are different forms of interaction. We talked about the basic stuff, of course, just taking and grabbing objects, throwing them around, and then taking them from from some distance really. Snap interaction, which is, I don't know, my favorite features really, it just feels so satisfying. But also custom XR features as well. We created a custom XR push button, which then extends the XR based interactable class that helps you build your own interactions, and it doesn't have to be a button, it could be anything really that comes up in your mind. And now you also know how to do this as well. And then in the end we talked about UI interaction as well. Please do me a favor and don't do the stupid UI that so many VR apps do. Literally just taking your 2D screen UI and then mapping it on a canvas and then putting it somewhere, and then you have to kind of like aim perfectly to get all the things done. It's just not good. Use your environment for UI, you know it already. Well, and then we dig deeper into some real life projects. So you now know the real life struggles, also including the bugs, and sometimes when artists do their own stuff as well, on how to get everything, all these essentials really running into an actual system or an actual game or app. So we step by step finish the essential room, the room 0, then the first one, the second one, the third one, all of these rooms now with the features you learned before as well. And then we added a lot of kind of like polishing elements as well, or things that are pretty cool, like gaze interaction, and then the AR tablet, for example, as well. In the bonus sections later on, you will see some other cool features that we will provide for you as well. And now you know how to use these features in real life context. And let's not forget about I was about to say most important elements, but kind of are very important, the polishing stuff. So the 3D sounds, having some voice talking to you is always very helpful. It just makes this whole experience a lot more natural, kind of, or familiar really as well, and it just adds some liveness to your app as well. But also like the light and baking, why you should bake lights, for example. It's like in 99% of the cases you should really just do it, because it just saves so much performance. And talking about performance, we also talked about performance optimization strategies that you can use for your project settings, the draw calls, the meshes, all of that stuff you know already as well. And if you checked out the links in the description, then you are definitely an expert already in these fields. And in the last video, you can finally pick up your amazing and well-deserved certification as well. Feel free to also share it on social media, because it's pretty cool of course, and it looks good. And in the last video I will talk a bit more on what to do next now to get your the best out of your experience, really to do the best for your journey. Of course I can talk from personal experience. And well, and this is it for the almost last video. Thank you so much, and as always, I see you on the next one. Welcome back. I hope you liked what you saw. And what else is in the course except for just these videos? So this is an interactive course, so there are also quizzes, PDFs to download, summaries, all of these things. But most importantly, and this is also one of the reasons why this course is so good, and why I'm so confident that this course is just like unbeatable, you will get all the assets from this course, and all of these are handmade, custom made by amazing 3D artists and sound designers. So you get all the sounds and the assets and the code packages. And also we are keeping to evolve this app. We are already working on some cool features, like a selfie stick where you can make photos which are then saved to your hard drive. Really cool. Or like two-handed object manipulation. Many of these things are continually added to the course as well. And obviously if you complete the course and you do all the assignments and the quizzes, you will get a beautiful looking certification, so that you can show off how awesome you are as a VR developer to social media, of course. Feel free to tag me, I can push you a bit more so more people see it. I'm happy to help. And that's it already. I'm really proud of the course. I think you will learn a lot, and if you don't like it, just let me know and we will take care of a refund or something like this. But again, I think you won't need it really. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below, or just write me an email. I will put all the links and of course the course as well in the description below. Check it out and become an amazing, awesome VR developer. See you on the other side. Thank you.